Okay, so in this video we are in tips number 9. So here we will learn the consider model capabilities. So whenever we will write anything, any prompt, whenever we will write in ChatGPT or any other AI platform, so we need to remember we need to remember one thing, that we need to consider the model capabilities. So we will tell ChatGPT that suppose I want to create a what I say e-com website. Okay, so suppose I want to create a e-com website. So you take the inspiration, you model the application, you model the website like Amazon or Flipkart. So I am telling ChatGPT that you take the inspiration from application, from website, from software like this. Suppose I want to create a e-com website, you take the inspiration, you take the all the features, benefits and all those things like Amazon, like Flipkart, and provide me the details. Okay, those things. So I am modeling a reputed brand in my niche, or in a reputed person, established or well-known person. So I am telling ChatGPT to model those personality, or to model that brand. Okay, so here we will go for the we will check the example. So here I am asking ChatGPT to describe an app. So it's very generic question I am asking, very broad question I am asking to ChatGPT, that describe an app. So it will provide a generic answer. So I did not mention which app, what is the purpose of creating that app and all those things I did not mention. So it will provide a generic answer. Okay, but if I ask ChatGPT like this, describe the features and user experience of a popular productivity app such as Trello or Asana. So what I am asking is, I need the features, please describe those things. I need the description. What description? The features and user experience. So two things I need the features and the user experience of what? Of a popular productivity app. So in this place I can you can replace your content, like it might be any dating app, it might be any e-com website, it might be any software website, it might be any LMS portal, LMS app. So anything for it is I have taken just for an example purpose. In your case might be different application, might be different topic, different subject. So the formula will be same, the content will be the same, you need to replace it. Suppose you for me I can ask ChatGPT, describe the features and the user experience of a app, of a popular e-com website, like such as Amazon or Flipkart. So I am modeling those platform which is already popular. I am modeling that person who is already popular in the field. So take the inspiration from that application, take the inspiration from that personality, and provide me the details. That is what the is considered model capabilities. We will see the practically. So then the example number 2, I am asking, explain a concept of machine learning. So again it's a very broad question I am asking to ChatGPT, that explain the machine learning, explain the concept of machine learning. It will provide a broad answer, so we will find out the details, information about machine learning. But if we want to get in specific and some personalized message in output, so in that case we need to write a prompt such a way that explain the concept of machine learning. I am asking that explain the concept of machine learning, including types of algorithm and real world application. So I am telling ChatGPT, of course you will explain machine learning, but include these topics, algorithm and the real world application. These two topics need to be explained in my output. Okay, so explain that thing. So again the example number 3, write an essay. So again I am asking write an essay. So I did not mention anything about my topic, about my objective, about my customer audience, customer, about my audience, target audience. I did not mention anything. So I have just written write an essay. So it will provide a generic answer for me, a common answer for me. It will be it might be detailed and informative, but I don't need that broad answer. I want to customize answer. I want to get customized answer. So what I can write, write a persuasive essay on the importance of renewable energy sources, providing evidence and examples to support your argument. So what I am asking is write a persuasive essay on importance of renewable energy source. So my subject is now the importance of renewable energy source. That is my subject. So whenever you are providing the input, keep in mind that of course provide evidence and supporting documents, evidence and examples to support your argument. So you are providing some details, so provide some evidence and supporting documents. So it will be more specified. So we will see in practically we will see how it responds. Suppose I am asking describe an app. Okay, so I am asking ChatGPT describe an app. So it will provide me a random application, and oh, it did not provide. It was saying sure. Could you please specify the types of app you are interested in? For example, you are looking for a description or productivity app or fitness app or social media app or something else you want to get. Okay, so it is asking the way, so I need to provide the detailed information. So okay, so it could not provide me the response. So now I will ask this thing, this modified and advanced. So I have now it will provide the features and user experience. For Trello, I have modeled it that I have given the model that it should be it might be the Trello or Asana. So it will take the inspiration from Trello or Asana. Features, broad list and cards, boards, leads, features, boards, list and cards, boards, list, cards, customizable boards, attachment and integration, collaboration and communication, automation. This kind of the features we can expect. And user experience is the user experience of Trello, intuitive interface, customization, simplicity, then real-time collaboration, visual appeal, task tracking. All these things are there. So I have got the quite pretty information about Trello. I think Asana it is given. No, it is how does Asana compare to Trello? So again I can ask, here it is. So if I want, I can ask so about Asana. Anyway, so it has given the pretty much a good idea about I wanted to know about the user experience and all these things, features and user experience. So it has provided Trello or Asana. So here I am given Trello or Asana, so it has provided. Let's focus on Trello. So it has given the user experience and the features of Trello. So I can take the inspiration and I can build my website or my app, a productivity app I can create. Okay, so I have taken the inspiration from those application. Okay, now the second thing is, again I will ask this thing, explain the concept of machine learning. Suppose this example, I will go and here I will explain machine learning. So it will provide a informative ideas of what is machine learning, how it works, and all these things. It will provide a detailed information about machine learning. It will be quite broad answer I will get. For information purpose it is good, for research purpose it is good, but if you want some specific output, in that case you need to modify that prompt. So see, it has given a broad detailed answer for me. Suddenly let's dive into the concept of supervised learning. In machine learning, supervised learning, key concept, training phase, testing phase, types of supervised learning, steps of supervised learning, example, data collection, data processing, data selection, model selection, training, evaluation, hyperparameter tuning, prediction. All these things are detailed information it is given, but I don't for information purpose it is correct, but if you want to get some specific information, in that case you need to modify that prompt. So let's see, now my prompt has been modified, and now it will be more specific. Explain the concept of machine learning, including types of algorithm and real world applications. So it will cover only the algorithm and the real world application. So I need only that information, I don't want the entire information. So here it is saying concept of machine learning, types of machine learning, algorithms. As I asked about algorithms, so it has provided the algorithms. All these things is providing. Unsupervised learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and now it's providing. I wanted to know two things, algorithm and the real world application, so it has provided real world application of machine learning. Here is the details, everything, transportation, natural language process, manufacturing, all the informative details I have given, it has given. So according to my requirement, I did not want to enter information about the machine learning. I wanted to know only two things, that is algorithm and real world explanation or real world application. So it has provided me the required details. So now I think it's it is pretty clear to you about the considered model capabilities. So you create your example, at least 10 examples, 30 examples, 100 examples. You can create more than 100, you can create of course, but for your experiment purpose you can create more examples, and you can practice with that and find out your best output. Okay, so play with this and use this format, use this template, replace your content, and you will get your best feature, best outputs. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next module, tips number 10. Okay.